Ujjivan Small Finance Bank tumbled nearly 19% on the last trading session of this week, on reports of resignation from the MD and CEO. The founder has raised concern over the asset quality and employee attrition, making the situation look grim for the investors. As per media reports, the board is likely to meet on the 25th of August to propose for an interim CEO. This small finance bank reported a loss of 233 crores in Q1 results. The biggest challenge, which small finance banks and non-banking finance corporations are facing, is related to NPAs. The loan repayment was severely hit due to the second wave, and fresh lockdowns with collection efficiency dropped up to 78% in June, as against 94% in March. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank has reported a significant jump in non-performing assets. The gross NPA was recorded 9.8% for the quarter, as against 1% in last financial year, and net NPA was 2.7%, against 0.2% in the last financial year. With so much of issues, followed by exits from the top, it was imminent to see the share price crashing like never before. But, is it end of the world for this small finance bank? Let's have a look at other side of the coin. If we look at other performance indicators, the situation may look comfortable, with improvements in CASA percentage, total deposit and disbursement. The capital adequacy ratio standing above 25% is also a big positive. Past record of this bank has been impressive, with disbursements and deposits growing at 19% and 46% respectively. Existing uncertainties have started making the investors jittery, and the stock price is beaten down to reach almost close to its book value. While some peers, including O Small Finance, is trading 5 to 6 times its book value, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank has been a progressive name, and serious efforts are being made to overcome existing challenges. Proposal for reverse merger of this bank with its parent company, Ujjivan Finance, is also under process. The founder has also indicated that post-merger, they will stabilize things and then proceed for a universal license. Though, risk-averse investors may choose to stay away from this script. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank can certainly be a value pick in the price range of ₹15 to ₹18 for long-term investors. Hope you like our quick updates. Please consult your financial advisor for making investment decisions.